First, we travel to the heart of Southeast Asia, Thailand, home to the rich and flavorful Massaman curry. This culinary masterpiece begins with slow braising meat, traditionally beef, until it's tender and succulent. The meat is then joined by hearty vegetables like potatoes and onions, and a generous sprinkle of peanuts. The real magic, however, lies in the creamy coconut milk sauce. It's infused with a vibrant yellow curry paste, aromatic bay leaves, sweet palm sugar, and the umami punch of fish sauce. This dish is a perfect marriage of sweet, salty, and spicy flavors that will have your taste buds singing. Next, we journey to the land of the rising sun, Japan, where sushi reigns supreme. Sushi is more than just food. It's an art form. Vinegared rice serves as the canvas, topped with a vibrant palette of fresh ingredients. Raw fish and seafood are the most common toppings, meticulously selected and cut with precision. From the delicate balance of flavors in nigiri to the colorful medley in uramaki rolls, sushi is a feast for both the eyes and the palate. Finally, we set sail for the Mediterranean, docking in the charming port city of Marseille, France. Here, the Provençal fish stew, bouillabaisse, is a testament to the region's maritime bounty. A medley of seafood, rockfish, sea bass, mussels and prawns, is simmered in a saffron-infused broth. Fennel, tomatoes, onions and garlic join the party, creating a deeply flavorful and aromatic dish that is as comforting as it is sophisticated. So there you have it. 3 delightful, rich and flavorful international recipes that will undoubtedly excite your taste buds. From the spicy and sweet notes of Thailand's Massaman curry to the delicate artistry of Japan's sushi and the comforting warmth of France's bouillabaisse, each dish offers a unique taste of the world's diverse culinary landscape. Whether you're a seasoned foodie or a curious beginner, these recipes invite you to explore, experiment, and most importantly, enjoy. Bon appétit!